Today's lesson is on improper fractions and mixed numbers. First, we're going to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. So for number 1, our mixed number is 3 1/4. Our first step is to multiply the denominator, which is 4, times our whole number, which is 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. Next, we will add the numerator, which is 1. So 4 times 3 was 12. Plus 1 is 13. So our numerator is going to be 13, and then our denominator is the same denominator that we had for our mixed number, which is 4. So 3 1/4 equals 13/4. For number 2, our mixed number is 6 2/3. So our first step is to multiply the denominator times our whole number. So 3 times 6 is 18. Next, we will add our numerator, which is 2. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 18 plus 2 equals 20. So our numerator will be 20, and our denominator is the same denominator we had in our problem, which is 3. So 6 2/3 is equal to 20/3. Next, we're going to be changing an improper fraction to a mixed number. So for number 3, we have 13/5. For us to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we need to use division. We will divide the numerator by the denominator. So we're going to have 13 divided by 5. 5 goes into 13 2 times, and 2 times 5 is 10. Now we can subtract. 13 minus 10 is 3. The 2 is our whole number. The 3 that we have left is our numerator, and our denominator is the number that we divided by, which is 5. It's also the same denominator we have in our original problem. So our answer is 2 3/5. So 13/5 equals 2 3/5. Now for number 4, we have 11/6. So again, we're going to use division. We will take the numerator, which is 11, and divide it by our denominator, which is 6. So we have 11 divided by 6, and 6 goes into 11 one time. 1 times 6 is 6, and now we're going to subtract. 1 minus 6 we cannot do, so we need to borrow from our 1, which is now 0, and this 1 becomes an 11. So 11 minus 6 is 5. The 1 we have is our whole number. The 5 that we have left is our numerator. And our denominator is the number that we divided by, which is 6. Remember, that's the same denominator that was in our problem. So 11/6 equals 1 5/6.